I just created this beautiful animated video in less than few minutes. And here is the crazy part. I didn't drag a single clip. I didn't touch a timeline. I didn't even open the video editor. Instead, I just typed few words and an AI built the entire thing for me. While creators spend hours of time fighting the software, doing things like aligning the audio, fixing the transition, and rendering the files, you can actually automate the whole workflow. Do you want to do the same? In this video, I am going to show you a workflow where you can automate this whole process using Google's Antigravity as well as Remotion. By end of this video, you will be able to generate high quality images maybe 10 times faster. So let's stop editing and start generating. So let's dive in. Now let's check out the tools that we are going to use today. First, we have Google's Antigravity. So this is a super smart workspace provided by Google with AI inbuilt on it. And this is what we are going to use for installing as well as automating Remotion. Secondly, we have Remotion. So Remotion is where the whole things work. This is a super cool tool where you can make your videos by just editing the code. So basically you can put out a code to say, okay, show the animation here and this will do it for you. But anyways, we are going to make AI do that for us. So to install this particular application, just open the terminal in Antigravity and paste the command. I have pasted this particular command so that it runs safely in my Windows machine. Once you press enter, we need the agentic skills. So we are opting for the agentic skills here as well. So yeah, it is installing. Yeah, after a couple of questions, it started installing. Now let's wait until this particular application is installed. So once the software is being installed or once Remotion is installed, let's try giving it a prompt using Cloud Sonnet here. And I'm just giving a prompt like create a 15 seconds intro video, use dark blue background, making the text welcome to code, zoom in on the center. That's the prompt I'm giving to the Remotion using Antigravity, and I'm using the model Cloud Sonnet 4.6. Let's try how it works. So it is thinking there. Oh, it analyzed the skill.md file. It's checking out animations now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these are the files that our Cloud Sonnet is trying to read in. And I think these are the rules that are set by the agentic skills by Remotion. And they're going to use this, our agent is going to use these skills to create our particular animation video. And now, right now, we started the server. Okay. It's getting some errors now. Okay, there are some dependencies that are missing and it is installing that as of now. So this is where the magic happens. I am not even touching the code or I am not even touching the keyboard. I'm just saying, allowing it to use its own brain to install the stuff. And I know that there are some dependencies missing in my Windows side of my machine. Basically, I never use Windows for coding applications nowadays. I basically use Linux. This is purely for video editing and all. So let's wait while our agent tried to create this particular application or tried to start doing the video. So I think Cursor Sonnet has completed creating the video, and when I open the localhost 3000, I can see the video that was created by Cloud Sonnet. So this is the video that was created by Cloud Sonnet. Now I feel that this blue is pretty planar for me. So I am asking AI to change into a sunset gradient and make sure that touch bounces when it lands. So let's see how AI is going to handle that part. So basically now he is trying to going through the animations. He will go through the animation skills, timelines, compositions to edit this particular video to meet our requirements. And of course, Cloud has to go through these files and it will take some time. So as of now, he started looking into the compositions file and he started editing the files as required. Now let's wait until he completes the whole part. So by the end, there were like few errors, but cursor is saying that Emotion Studio is already running. The browser has opened automatically. You can head here. It is loading like anything. Yeah. So this is the finally updated video, and we have the gradient effect here. So basically, we just prompted AI what we want, and AI just delivers it for you. That is remotion plus anti-gravity for you guys. Yeah, and I think you can experiment a lot with it. You can just check out these files here that is being edited and the configuration, the composition that is being edited, and just loads it like anything. For example, let me check. So once the commotion was over, I was able to upgrade the background and add few animations to this particular video as well. So once I click this particular link, you can see here I have already loaded this ones. So this is the bouncy effect as well as the sun gradient that AI brought or Sonnet brought into our particular video. So here, as you can see that this is the particular code created by Sonnet. I am not really good at TS anywhere. So as you can see, there is like radial gradient ellipse, as well as it has selected the font as well as the code here, our text here. So basically, this is how we can use AI to edit animations for our video, and you can even automate it using tools like Antigravity. And I think this is an great opportunity for us, at least the first step towards video editing using AI tools. So I think you should really check out this particular method of editing or creating animated videos. So now I think you are ready to go ahead and start playing with the video editing using an agent. So what I suggest you to go just right now and install Remotion using Antigravity and try tinkering with it, create some basic stuff, evolve with it, and set up an automation workflow for that. Your video editing process becomes really smoother and really faster, and I think this is the future of video editing as well. So if you believe that you love the things that I do, like tinkering technology, introducing new technologies for you, and learning more about AI, do like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can show more content to you.